In this video we are going to review the features implemented during the i3 Market project to seamless use AGORA in the i3 Market Federation. The video is split in 4 main sections. AGORA before i3 Market, a brief overview of AGORA architecture. After this we will check all the features developed during the project. i3 Market user authentication. Create offerings. Discover offerings. Create a contract. Data transfer. Finally we will see how i3 Market has supported AGORA improvement. First we will talk about AGORA before i3 Market. AGORA is a centralized marketplace. Data offerings are created by the consumer. It is the consumer who initiate the offer. AGORA doesn't have the capacity to create smart contracts. The marketplace is securized by AGORA. AGORA is an isolated marketplace. As a fully operational standalone marketplace, AGORA is integrated directly with the i3 Market backplane, making direct use of the SDK core provided and the OIDC library. The SDK core libraries provided by i3 Market to connect the marketplace with the backplane have been imported and included in the AGORA Data Marketplace backend system. The adaptations towards these libraries include the addition of new services to access the library's functionalities. We are going to see how to authenticate in i3 Market AGORA. We can see 2 applications: to the right the wallet and to the left the AGORA i3 Market application. The user log in AGORA i3 Market. As data owner, the wallet prompt appears in the right screen. Press the disclosure option and sign. The data provider must do data discovery for index data in the AGORA's cloud storage. He can use the different filtering functionalities to decide which data to offer. Once he has finished the data discovering process, he click on the Create Offering button. In the publishing offering process, the user that the correct measurement channels and data has been selected. The user will proceed to advance through the process, modifying fields as he seems fit, and finalize the process by publishing the offering. As a consumer from the Market Federation, we're going to buy a data offering from an AGORA provider. We search for the data offering in the list. We click the Buy Offering button, review the purchase request, and finally submit. This process will add a key pair to the consumer wallet. Once the consumer has created a buy request for our data offering, we will receive a notification. If we want to accept this agreement, we must select Go to Next Step in the notification button. The user will be redirected to our smart contract proxy, which will make a series of prompts to accept by the user via the wallet. Once the provider accepts our proposal for buying the offering, we will receive a notification. Clicking the notification will start the signing process through the wallet. Once the process is finished, the data sharing agreement will be added to the consumer wallet. Once the consumer has accepted the agreement created on the previous step by the provider, a notification will be received by the provider. If the provider decides to, he will click on the notification to finalize the smart contract process. After being redirected to the smart contract proxy and accepting the necessary prompts from the wallet, the agreement will be signed by both parties and deployed into eMarket. Once the provider signs the agreement, the consumer can check the active contract details. In order to initiate the data transfer process, the consumer must check the details of the data offering, and go to the endpoint URL specified. Since the data is provided through AGORA Marketplace, the consumer will need to log in using his eMarket wallet as usual. Once the consumer is logged into AGORA, they can use the direct link specified in the endpoint URL to download the agreement data. AGORA will check the contract stored in the consumer wallet, and if the agreement is valid and active, initiate the data download. Thanks to eMarket, now AGORA is centralized marketplace plus decentralized marketplace. Offering can be created by the consumers using AGORA and by the providers through eMarket users. AGORA is able to create smart contracts. The marketplace is securized with Kirok and the wallet. AGORA is not anymore an isolated marketplace, and now AGORA can be federated and interact with another marketplaces. And AGORA is prepared to interact with FIDSA and Gaia X, as smart contracting functionalities are needed.